Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to prepare carrot juice. So I'll go ahead to just remove the dead skin. I'm not peeling the bag because the bag contains more carotene than even the inside. Carrot is high in beta-carotene. The body converts this beta-carotene into vitamin A, which is crucial for good vision. Again, it has high content of vitamin C, and this vitamin C supports the immune system. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that protects the hair follicles from damage caused by free radicals. It also contains biotin, vitamin B7. Wow. This vitamin B7 supports the production of carotene, a protein that makes up hair strands. So guys, if you want your hair to grow, you need to incorporate this juice into your meal. Wow, this is really looking nice. I'm not going to throw away this thing. I will use it to make banku with oatmeal. I use it to do banku. For those that are from Africa, you know what banku is, swallow.